Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures on your headphones Huawei FreeBuds. You have to start by open the application and now click on your headphones here. After that go to gesture control right here and let's work in with it. So I leave to answer and finish the call right here because we have no change, we have no option here more. And let's work in with a double press. So for the left one I prefer to call voice assistant, and for the right one I wanna leave display pause because right here in the triple tap we have only to play next track or previous, so it make no sense to add it for the double tap. So yeah, and I leave play pause, but you can choose the best one for you. Now let's go to the touch press and hold, and I wanna add to reject the call when someone called to me. And for the press and hold we can add only volume control, so for the left one I prefer to lower the volume, and for the right one increase the volume. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!